How to delete your Cash App account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you'd like to delete your Cash App account, you may follow up these steps. So first of all, open up the Cash App application on your device and you should be finding this interface. Now from here, locate up the profile icon in the top right corner and tap on it. So before deleting your account, understand that if there is any kind of balance available, it will also be deleted. So make sure you have transferred your balance before deleting your account. And once you are here in your account, look out for support option on your screen and tap on it. And from support, look out for the option called something else, which is under report, and tap on it. After you tap on it here, you'll be finding different options available. You may scroll down from the given options and look out for the option called account settings. Scroll down until you reach over to that option. After you find it up, tap on it, and once you tap on it, account settings opens up. Now from account settings as well, you may scroll down, and when you scroll down, you'll be finding an option called close your Cash App account. You may look at that option up on your screen and tap on it again. And once you tap on it, you can just head over and confirm that you would like to close your account. Just go ahead and confirm this pop-up message. Just go ahead and read before confirming and confirm it. And once that is done, your Cash App account will be deleted. You may need to verify yourself before doing so. And that's it. So if you'd also like to delete your Cash App account, you may head over and follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.